Hi everyone, so today this tutorial is going to teach you how you can easily use Google Spreadsheet with the message sender add-on in order to send out WhatsApp template message via WhatsApp API to your clients easily. So first of all, of course, you need to have a Google Spreadsheet ready with your client's number and also their name. So the next thing you will need to do is install the Google add-on, which is called WhatsApp Message Sender. So let's easily check the add-on out. So the installation is really easy. You just need to follow the step. Install, accept the terms and conditions. But I'll show you how it looks like. WhatsApp Message Sender. So you will choose the one on the left by Wati right here. So you just need to install it because I already installed right here, so I'm not gonna go through it step by step, but you just need to click it, install it, agree the terms, and you will have it right here in your Spreadsheet add-on. And you simply need to have a WhatsApp schedule, like just click here. So what will happen here is you need to select the number that you would like to send out. So for example, I would choose these two numbers. So it is A2 to A3. So it can be a whole row with the number that you would like to select. So okay, right here. And second question they will ask is whether you're a trial user or live user. If you're a trial user or you're not a Wati user, you can simply go to the trial and buy the credit from there, so you can start sending out from our trial number already. And I'm a live user, so I'll do the next step with you. They will ask for your API endpoint and key. So what you can do here is go to Wati, your Wati account. Here, this more information here. Go to API docs. So simply copy the API endpoint and key right here. So the endpoint, click copy. Go back here, endpoint. Copy it, and API key, just click copy right here, and then you have the API key right here, and save it. And you can test the connection as well. So this is how you can link your Wati account with this Google Spreadsheet in order to select the template and also send out the message from your side as well. So my computer is a bit slow on this. Okay. And the WhatsApp notification is showing up right here. And next, you will see that the sender name is from our side. And then you can select a template to send out. For example, I have this test crystal 001 to send out. And I can choose the name that I would like to send out. So I can choose name as here, B2 to B3. And then click next. And the cost will be 2 template message to 2 recipients. And you can see the sample template right here. It will show hi Wati test. And then when you scroll down second, it will be hi Wati by Claire.ai. So you can click send now or schedule it to another time. If I click send now, you can see the detail back in your Wati account. It will show success. So what you'll be able to see here with my Wati number. So I will see that message that I already received. Hi, Wati test account is activated. So this is the account, the message that I sent out just now. So this is how easy that you can use the API key with a Google Spreadsheet to send out message easily.